Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss MOF paper solution for class 7th stage 2 which was held on 16 November 2025, part 1st, that is physics. So let's start the solution with question number first. So here it is. Question number first is two spares, one made of copper and other made of aluminium, have same mass and are both heated to a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, they are then simultaneously placed on two separate identical large blocks of ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Given that the specific heat capacity of aluminium is significantly higher than that of copper, which of the following will occur? So student, we know that the formula of heat transfer is mc delta T. So m is mass, c is specific heat capacity and T is temperature difference. So here it is, mass is same for both the spares. So now we have specific heat capacity of aluminium is greater than specific heat capacity of copper. So aluminium spare will melt more ice. So our correct option is option number B for question number first. Let's move to the another one, that is question number 2. So in question number 2, diagram show lit candle heating a metal rod. The point X, Y and Z represent different locations where heat can be felt. Identify the dominant mode of heat transfer experienced each of these points. So at point Y, the point Y is directly not in the contact with candle, so there is a transfer of heat by the mode of convection, and at X is conduction. Now at point Z it radiation. So these are the mode of heat transfer. So our correct option is option number A for question number 2. Let's move to the another one, that is question number 3. So in question number 3, two electric wires A and B are made of same material, okay, and have the same length. However, wire A is thicker than B. If they are connected in series to a battery, which wire will produce more heat? So student, these are the option. Wire A will produce more heat because it has a larger cross-sectional area. So first. Second is wire B will produce more heat because it has a higher resistance. Both wire will produce the same amount of heat because the current is the same. It is impossible to determine without knowing the voltage. So student, we know that the formula of resistance is rho L by A. So R is inversely proportional to 1 by A. So now here wire A is thicker than B. So if the wire A is thicker, so the area of wire A is increased, so resistance will decrease. And for wire B is have less area, so the resistance will increase for wire B. So our correct option will be option number B. Wire B will produce more heat because it has higher resistance. So let's move to the another question, that is question number 4. So in question number 4, a classic fire alarm design uses a bimetallic strip made of brass and iron as a heat sensitive switch. When nearby fire rises the temperature, the strip bends and touches a contact screw, completing a circuit and sounding an alarm. Given that brass expands significantly more than iron when heated. Which statement is correctly describe how the strip behaves? So in the question, the given data is brass expands significantly more than iron. So options are, it bends with brass on inner side of the curve. No. It remains straight but elongate lengthwise to touch the contact. No. It bends with iron on the outer side of the curve. Yes. So our correct option is option C for question number 4. Let's move to the another one, that is question number 5. So question number 5 is based on true and false. So we have to find which statement is true and which one is false. So let's start the solution. The first is, the motion of a pendulum bob from extreme position to the another is an example of uniform motion. So student, first one is false. Second is, the slope of a distance time graph for an object moving with constant speed is a straight slanted line. Yes, this is true. Third is, at the highest point of its flight, a ball thrown straight up has zero velocity, but its acceleration is not zero. Yes, student, this is also true. So our correct sequence for question number 5 is F, T, T. So correct answer will be option number D for question number 5. Let's move to the another question, that is question number 6. So question number 6 is based on match the columns. So we have to match column first with column second. So in question number 6, the velocity time graph of particle moving in a straight line is shown. Match the physical quantity described in column first with their numerical values in column second. So in P, acceleration during first 2 seconds. So acceleration during first 2 seconds is here initial velocity is 0. So acceleration is 10 by 2, that is 5 meter per second square. So P match with second. Now total distance traveled from 0 to 7 seconds. So student, we know that area of velocity time graph gives us distance traveled. So this is the area for 0 to 7 seconds. So this is trapezium. So area of trapezium is 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides, that is 7 plus 3 into height, that is 10. So 7 plus 2 10, 10 into 10 100 by 2, that is 50 meter. So Q match with 4. Total displacement for the entire journey from 0 to 9 seconds. So this is 50 meter for 0 to 7 seconds. Now we are find from 7 to 9 seconds. So this is also a triangle. So 1 by 2, base is 2, height is minus 5. So that is minus 5 and plus 45. So total displacement is 45 meter. So R match with first. Magnitude of acceleration for 7 to 9 seconds. So 7 to 9 seconds is 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So as match with third. So our correct sequence for question number 6 is 2, 4, 1, 3. So our correct option is option number D for question number 6. Let's move to the another question, that is question number 7 and 8. Both are based on paragraph. So paragraph is, an observer standing at the edge of a cannon shout hello. She hears the echo of her voice exactly 4 seconds later. The speed of sound in the air is 340 meter per second. The sound travels from the observer to the far wall of the cannon and reflects back to the observer. So question number 7 is, what is the total distance traveled by the sound wave from the moment it was produced until the echo was heard? So distance traveled by echo was V into T. So the speed of sound in air, that is 340, and time taken is 4. So if you multiply 340 to 4, we'll get 1360 meters. So our correct option is option number C for question number 7. That is question number 8. So in question number 8, what is the width of the canyon? The distance from the observer to the firewall. So the distance was 1360. So we have to find the distance. That is 680 meter. So B is the correct answer for question number 8. Let's move to the another question, that is question number 9. So question number 9 is multiple choice type question. So there will be more than one option can be correct. So question number 9 is, in the circuit B1, B2 and B3 are identical bulbs. If the bulbs are identical, they have a same resistance. Select all the correct statement describing what happens if the filament bulb B2 burns. This is the situation, B2 burns. Now statement first is, the total resistance of the circuit increase. So student, if they are identical, let's suppose the resistance of each bulb is 1 ohm. So if B2 not burn, then the total resistance is 1.5 ohm. If B2 is burned, the total resistance will be 2 ohm. So the A option is true because the resistance of the circuit increases. Option B is, the brightness of bulb B1 decreases. The brightness of bulb B1 is decreases. Yes, this is also true. Option C is, the brightness of bulb B3 increases. The bulb of brightness increases. Let me check. 1, 1, 2 and the current will increase. Yes, C also correct. And D is, the voltage across bulb B1 increases. No, this is false. So our correct options are A, B and C for question number 9. So these are the correct options for question number 9. So in question number 10, which of the following statements about magnets and magnetism are correct? This is multiple choice question, so there will be more than one option can be correct. So option A is, magnetic field lines inside bar magnet travel from south pole to north pole. Yes, it is true. When a bar magnet is broken in half, two new magnets are formed, each with a single pole. No, this is false. Single pole cannot exist in magnet. Earth's geographic north corresponding to the Earth's geographic magnetic south pole. Yes, that is true. Soft iron is used to make permanent magnet. No, this is wrong. So only A and C are the correct options for question number 10. So these are the solution of part physics. I hope you get your answers. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss part 2 chemistry for class 7th. Let's discuss the questions. Observe the given figure carefully and fill in the blanks by choosing an appropriate option. Here the blue solution can be taken as copper sulfate, Q can be taken as iron, and after reaction between copper sulfate and iron, the reaction is called a chemical change which is irreversible, and the process P is showing crystallization, and the green color solution is FeSO4 and the brown deposition of taken as copper. Now the options are option A, P crystallization, this is true, Q iron, this is again true, R the chemical reversible, S is iron oxide, no, it is incorrect. B, P sublimation, no, P is not sublimation, it is crystallization, so it is wrong. C, P, melting. No, it is again wrong. D, P is crystallization. Yes, this is true. Q is iron. Yes, this is again true. R, chemical irreversible change. Yes, this is again true. And S will be copper. Yes, this is true. So the correct answer is option D. Now the next question is, Saroj tested the nature of a few common substances with the help of some indicators, and the indicators having as China rose and methyl orange, and China rose gives magenta color in acidic medium and green in basic medium, whereas methyl orange remains orange in neutral and gives yellow color in basic medium. Now check the question. Substances present in test tube 1, 2, 3 and 4 are respectively A, the salt solution, and first is an acidic mixture, acidic solution, so salt solution is a neutral, and so that the option A becomes wrong. B, orange juice. Yes, orange juice can be taken. Window cleaner. Yes, it is basic in nature. Sugar solution. Yes, this is neutral. And lime water. Yes, this is basic. So B option may be correct. C, vinegar. Yes, can be taken as acid. Soda water. Yes, soda water is not taken as basic medium, so it becomes wrong. D, lemon juice. Yes, can be taken. Lime water, this is basic. Window cleaner, no, this is not neutral, this is basic nature, so D option also becomes wrong. So the correct option is option B. Now the next question is, group sorting following material according to conductivity and identify M and N. Diamond, silver, PVC, graphite, distilled water, air, human body. So we have to find M, which shows thermal and electrical conductivity, and it can be taken as conductor. N do not show conductivity, so N can be insulator. Thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, and as insulator, now we have to arrange them. Diamond is taken as insulator. Silver can show both, so can be taken as first. PVC is non-conductor. Graphite is taken in electrical conductor. Distilled water again insulator. Air again insulator, and human body is taken here as electrical conductor. Now the options are option A, M conductor, N insulator. First is silver. Yes, silver is taken as in thermal and electrical conductor, so first can be taken silver. Second, human body. Yes, second can be taken human body. Third, air. Yes, there is third, so air is taken here. 4, distilled water. Yes, distilled water is again taken as 4. So the correct option may be A. Let's check again the next options. Option B, M insulator. No, it is wrong. C, M conductor. N insulator. First is silver. Second is PVC. No, second is electrical conductor, so PVC is not taken here, so C becomes wrong. M conductor, N insulator. First silver, second graphite. Yes, second can be taken graphite. Third PVC, Yes, third can be taken as third PVC. 4 graphite. No, 4 is insulator, so graphite is not taken here, so D option becomes wrong. So the correct answer is option A. Now the 14th question is, a clinical thermometer is made of a glass tube and contain mercury. Which set of properties correctly explains why these materials were chosen for this specific purpose? The first option is, glass is opaque. No, glass is not opaque, it is transparent. So A becomes wrong. B, glass is transparent and a good conductor of heat. No, glass is not a good conductor of heat, so B option becomes wrong. C, glass is transparent, yes, and a poor conductor of heat, yes, this is again true. Mercury is a good conductor of heat, yes, this is true, this is correct. D, glass is opaque, no, it is again wrong. So the correct answer is option C. Now the next question is, which of the following statement are true or false? The first statement is, olfactory indicators change their color in acid and base. No, they can't change their color, they change their odor, so this is false. A solution contained in large number of H+ ions has high pH. No, it is again false, because as H+ ions increases, then pH will decrease. So this is false. Third, CH3COOH gives brisk effervescence of H2 gas with sodium. Yes, this is true, as we know that acetic acid, when reacted with metal, that it produces sodium acetate and evolve hydrogen gas. So this is true. Now the options are, option A, false, false, true. Yes, false, false, true, this is the correct option. Option B, true, false, true, no, wrong. True, true, false, no, wrong. And true, false, false, this is again wrong. So the correct answer is option A. Now the next question is, match the column, and column 1 having first reaction P as C6H12O6 plus O2, and it's showing respiration. Next reaction is AgNO3 and NaCl, and as we know that AgNO3 solution, when mixed with NaCl solution, then the white PPT of AgCl is produced and NaNO3 is formed, the white PPT. So next is SO2 plus NOH, SO2 plus NaOH. This is the acidic oxide, this is a base, and after reaction they form salt and water and show neutralization. Now as CO2, H2O, sunlight, and this is photosynthesis. Now the column 2 has exothermic reaction, photosynthesis, neutralization, precipitation. Now match the columns. Column 1, which is respiration, and respiration is also the exothermic process, so P resemble with 1. AgNO3 and NaCl form precipitate, so Q resemble with 4. SO2 and NOH can show neutralization, so R match with 3. And this is photosynthesis, so S matched with 2. Now the options are option A 1 2 3 4, this is wrong. Option B 4 3 2 1, this is again wrong. Option C 3 1 4 2, this is again wrong. Option D 1 4 3 2, and this is correct option. Now the next question is paragraph based. 4 solutions W, X, Y and Z were taken in 4 test tubes and tested with 4 indicators: methyl orange, phenolphthalein, China rose and blue litmus. The observations are recorded in the given table, and according to table, W gives yellow with methyl orange, pink with phenolphthalein, green with China rose and blue with blue litmus, and indicates a base. X gives orange, methyl orange, colorless in phenolphthalein, China rose with pink color and remains blue with blue litmus, and it indicates about a neutral substance. Y gives yellow with methyl orange, pink with phenolphthalein, green with China rose and remains blue with blue litmus, and indicates about a base or basic medium. Z gives red with methyl orange, remains colorless with phenolphthalein, magenta with China rose and gives red with blue litmus, and indicates about an acid or acidic solution. Now the question 17 is classify W, X, Y and Z as acids, bases or neutral substances. A. W acidic, X basic, Y basic, Z neutral, and so this is wrong. Option B W neutral, X basic, Y basic, Z acidic, it is again wrong. In C W basic, X acidic, Y basic, Z neutral, this is again wrong. Option D is W basic, yes, X neutral, this is again true, Y basic, this is again right, Z acidic, so the option D becomes the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 18. Select the incorrect combination. Here option A is HCl in toilet cleaners. Yes, HCl is used to form toilet cleaners, so this is the correct combination. H2SO4 battery acid. Yes, H2SO4 is used in batteries, so it is also the correct combination. H3PO4 phosphorus acid, no, it is wrong. This is phosphoric acid, so it is incorrect combination. Option D HNO3 oxidizing agent. Yes, HNO3 is used as an oxidizing agent, so it is correct combination, and according to question, C option will be the correct answer. Now the next question is which of the following separation methods are used in the dairy industry for processing milk? And for processing milk, centrifugation can be taken as the correct separation method. B. Filtration is also taken, but C. Distillation and D. Pasteurization are not taken as separation method. So there are two options are correct, A and B. Now the next question is which of the following are true for crystallization? And the options are option A, after crystallization the remaining solution is called mother liquor, this is true for crystallization process. B, it is a chemical change, no, it is wrong, as crystallization is a physical change. C, crystallization occurs when solution is at its supersaturation form. Yes, this is true. Crystallization occurs when the solution becomes supersaturated. Now D, small crystal of alum is added to its saturated solution. So this is again true. For crystallization, we should put a small crystal of alum for crystallization. So this is again correct. So the option A, C and D are correct for the answer. Now this is the part 2 chemistry. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 7th biology. Let's start first question for biology. Study of flow chart given below. Lever P, Q, R and S. Lever produce P. It's mean bile juice. Lever produce digestive juice? No. Bile juice? Yes. Bile, yes. Digestive juice, no. Act on food stuff like fat, it's mean Q, fat, protein, wrong. So option B, bile, Q, fat, R, fatty acid and glycerol, it's mean fat break down by lipase into R and S. R and S is fatty acid and glycerol. So right answer is option B. Next, food component and digested product. P, amino acid, carbohydrate, Q. Select the correct option for P and Q. P into amino acid, it's mean that is protein, because protein formed by so many amino acid, n number of amino acid form protein. Next, carbohydrate break down in their simple glucose, so that is right. P, protein, Q, glucose. In option B is right answer for this question. Next, total number of molar teeth present in an adult human being is 12. Out of these 8 molars appear by the age of 18, whereas the remaining 4 developed between the age of 18 to 25. That is, these are the wisdom teeth. So 8 and 4 were correct matching in option C. Option C is correct match. 8 and 4 wisdom teeth. Next question is, refer the given diagram of the human digestive system and digestive juice PQR were collected from structure label 1, 2 and 3 respectively. It's mean secretion store in it. The digestive juice were then mixed with a buffer solution of pH 2. Small drop of these juice were then put on the strip of film coated with protein. Which of the following digestive juice will be able to digest the protein coat? Relate with protein. Digestive juice P, digestive juice Q, and digestive juice R. Guess Q. Guess Q. Q for second. Q for second. Second is stomach. Small drop of these juice were then put on the strip of film coated with protein. So, right, because starting of protein in stomach. So our right answer is B. Right answer is B, digestive juice Q. Next question is, which of the following statement are true and false? First, saprophyte are organism that can prepare their own food from simple inorganic raw material. Raw material. That is wrong. Next, the insectivorous pitcher plant secrete digestive juice to digest the insect and absorb it. That is right. And colored leaves other than green also possess chlorophyll, but they do not appear green in color. Right? False, true, and true. False, true, and true. Option B is right for this question. Option B is correct for 25th question. Next, match column first and second. Mango, lichen, bread mold, and rafflesia. Bread mold relate with spoilage of food. Mango, autotrophic. Lichen, symbiosis, and rafflesia, parasitic. So right answer is 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1 in option A. Option A is correct for this question. Next question is paragraph question. Animal X, Y, and Z. Animal X is found in an area where coolant from the dominating vegetation. It's mean desert area. It is also called the ship of habitat. It's mean camel. Ship of habitat, it's mean camel. Animal Y is found in an area where plant like deodar and pine are common. It's mean mountain area. And animal Z is found in an area dominated by grasses with scattered tree. Animal Z, it's mean forest. It is commonly referred as king. It's mean lion. Identify X, Y, and Z. 27. Which of the following option correctly identify X, Y, and Z? Camel, mountain, mountain goat, and lion. Option B. Option B is correct for this question. Next question is, Identify the habitat of animal X, Y and Z. Option A, desert, relate with camel, that is right. Mountain, mountain goat, right. Grassland, forest, right. Option A, right. Other option, rainforest, no, wrong. Grassland, right. Mountain, forest, but camel not present in grassland. Grassland, forest, coastal, no. B, C, D, wrong. Option A is right for this question. Next. Given the below are the event of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Identify which of the following are not true. Option A, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. No. Conversion. Not true, it's mean false. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, that is right, but according to this is false. Conversion of light energy of chemical energy and splitting of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate and oxygen. No, wrong. Not true. Not true. Reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate, right. It's mean simple. Not true mean false. Not true mean false. B is not true. C is true. A is true. D, conversion of chemical energy to radiant energy. Radiant energy. So not true. Not true. Not true is B and D. B and D is not true in multiple choice question. Next, which of the following statement are incorrect? Incorrect, not right. Vitamin C is needed for strong bone. No, incorrect. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of phosphorus. No, caused by vitamin C, so wrong. Deficiency of vitamin D, calcium, cause rickets, right. And deficiency of vitamin C cause beriberi. No, no, no. A, B and D, incorrect statement in multiple choice. So these are the all biology solution. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Matrix Olympiad. So today we discuss about the MF paper solution for class 7 stage 2 for mathematics subject. So let's start. So here we have question number 31st, that is, in the figure AB is parallel to ME, right? AB is parallel to ME, CD is parallel to EF and angle BCD is equal to 30 degree. Angle BCD is equal to 30 degree and angle MEL is equal to 40 degree. Then find the value of X. It means here we have to find this one. So we know EF is parallel to CD. Okay. And if we extend this line ME, so I can say that this angle is 30 degree. So this one is also 30 degree because of corresponding angle. And we know the angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So I can write here 40 plus X plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. And here X is equal to 180 minus 70. So now the value of X here we get, that is 110 degree, right? So the value of X is equal to 110 degree. So option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Okay, and angle A is equal to 4x plus 24 degree and angle B is equal to 3/4 times of angle A. Now we have to find the measure of angle A. So here we have given angle B is equal to 3/4 times of angle A. So I can write here angle B is equal to 3/4 times of angle A. So when I simplify it, I can write here 3 bracket x plus 6. So here 3x plus 18, right? So this angle is 3x plus 18 and this one is also 3x plus 18 because this triangle is an isosceles triangle, and we know the sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So I can write here 4x plus 24 plus 3x plus 18 again 3x plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. So here I can say that 4x plus 3x 7x, 7x plus 3x 10x plus 24 plus 18 plus 18. So 18 and 18 36, 36 plus 24 40 to 60 is equal to 180. So here 10x is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120. So the value of x here we get, that is 12. Now we have to find the measure of angle A, and we know the measure of angle A is equal to 4x plus 24. So I can write here 4 bracket 12 plus 24. So here we can say that 12 1 12, 12 2 24, and 12 3 36, and 12 4 48. So 48 plus 24. So here 8 plus 4 12, carry 1 72. Right? So the measure of angle A is equal to 72 degree. It means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is we have to simplify this one. For simplifying this, first we have to simplify this part. Okay, so I can write here 8 upon 9 divided by 3 minus 2 upon 3. So here 8 upon 9 divided by 1 upon 3. So 3 3 ja 9. It means here we get 8 upon 3. So this part is 1 plus 2 by 3, and the solution of this one is 8 by 3. So when I simplify it, I take LCM, that is 3. So I can write here 3 plus 2 plus 8, that is 13 upon 3. Okay, so I can write here this one, that is 1 plus 2 by 3 upon 13 by 3. So 3 to 3 cancel out. So I can write here 1 plus 2 by 13, that is 13 plus 2 by 13, which equal to 15 by 13. And here we have 1 upon. So if we take here 1 upon 15 upon 13, so the correct solution is 13 upon 15. So check which option is correct. So here option number B is the correct answer. Okay, so now if I talk about the next question, that is if A and B are natural numbers such that if 1 upon A to power 1 upon B is equal to 0.3 raised to bar, then possible value of AB. So we know 1 upon A raised to power 1 upon B is equal to 0.3 raised to bar. If we remove bar, so I can write here 3 upon 9. When we are simplifying it, we can say that 1 upon 3. So 1 by A raised to power 1 upon B is equal to 1 by 3. Here if we multiply by power in 3 and we divide here by 3. Okay, so here I can write 1 upon 27 raised to power 1 by 3. If we compare this one to this one, then we can say that the value of A here we get, that is 27, and the value of B here we get, that is 3. Now we have to find the product of A and B. So the product of A and B, that is 27 multiplied by 3. Here we get, that is 81. So check which option is correct here. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is find the height of regular cylinder whose radius here we have given, that is 14 centimeter, and the total surface area here we have given TSA, that is 4342. We have to find the height. Okay, so we know the total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, which is equal to 4342. So if you take common 2 pi R, so I can write here H plus R is equal to 4342. we put the value of pi, that is pi by 22 upon 7. And the radius here we have given, that is 14. And here h plus 14 is equal to 4342. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So here I can write 88 bracket h plus 14 is equal to 4342. So h plus 14 is equal to 4342 divided by 88. So h plus 14, here we get that is, so when I simplify it, I can write 44. Here I can write 2171. Okay, when we divide it, we get 49.34. So here I can write h is equal to 49.34 minus 14. So when we simplify it, we get answer that is 35.34 centimeter. That is the height. So it means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is if x plus 1 upon 4 plus x plus 1 upon 3 which is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 plus 1, then we have to find the value of x minus 1. So first we have to take the LCM of 4 and 3. So I can write here first x plus 1 upon 4 plus x plus 1 upon 3 which is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. So if we take LCM 4 and 3, then we get 12. So I can write here 3 bracket x plus 1 plus 4 bracket x plus 1 which is equal to, if here we take LCM 2, then I can write x plus 1 plus 2. So here we can say that 3x plus 3, 4x plus 4 upon 12 which is equal to x plus 3 upon 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. So here I can write 3x plus 4x, that is 7x. So 7x plus 4 plus 3, 7, which is equal to 6 bracket x plus 3. Here we take cross multiply, right? So I can write here 7x plus 7 which is equal to 6x plus 6 3 is 18. So 7x minus 6x is equal to 18 minus 7. So the value of x here we get, that is 11. And now we have to find the value of x minus 1. So for x minus 1 we can write 11 minus 1, that is 10. So check which option is here. So 10. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. Now if I talk about the next question, that is a dice is thrown 20 times and outcomes are as follows: 6 5 1, 3 2 5, 4 1 2, 4 3 6, 5 1 4 6, 3 2 5 and 4. Find the probability of an even composite number. So we know probability, that is probability of even composite number, that is, we know the formula of probability, that is favorable outcomes divided by total possible outcomes. So here we have total possible outcomes, that is 20, and favorable outcomes, that is we have to find the even composite number. So let's count. 6 is even composite number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here we have total even composite number, that is 7, and total favorable possible outcomes, that is 20. So the probability of even composite number, that is 7 upon 20. It means option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, here we have to simplify, and here we have given 300 minus 120 minus 48 divided by 12 bracket close and bracket close divided by 25 minus curly bracket 18 minus small bracket 18 minus 12 minus 7 small bracket close curly bracket close and big bracket close. So what we do first we have to simplify the small bracket. So we know when we divide here we get, that is 4. So here I can write 300 minus 120 minus 4 divided by, here we get 25 minus 18, and when we subtract it, here we get, that is 5. So after that we can say that 300 minus 120 minus 4, that is 116, and here we have divide sign. 25 minus, when we simplify it, here we get that is 13. So when we subtract it, we get that is 4, 8, 1, and divided by, here we get 12 and divided by 12. So when we simplify it, so here 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, carry 2, 6 4 ja 24, that is 46 upon 3. So check which option is correct. 46 upon 3, this one. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on which is based on true and false. So here statement number 1, that is minus 2 plus minus 9 is less than minus 9 minus minus 2. So when we simplify it, we get that is minus 11. When we simplify it, here we get that is minus 9 plus 2, that is minus 7. So the statement is minus 2 plus minus 9 is less than, yes, this one is true. It means the first is true. If I talk about the second, the successor of 1 multiply minus 52 is 1 multiply minus 52. This one is false. And next, integers are closed under division. No, this one is also false. So the correct option is true, false, and false. So true, false, and false. It means option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is again based on true and false statement, and the statement number 1, that is the side opposite to the largest angle in a triangle is always shortest side. No, this one is false. Second, the sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Yes, this one is true. Next, an equilateral triangle is also an isosceles triangle. Yes, we can say. So this one is also true. So the correct answer is false, true, and true. So false, true, and true. It means option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. Here we have column 1 and here we have column 2. So in column 1 P, here we have given that a circle has same numerical value of its circumference and area. Then we have to find the radius. So we know the circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r, and we know the area, that is r square, pi r square. So when we take 2 pi r minus pi r square, that is 0. So here we take common pi r, so I can write here 2 minus r equal to 0. It means here we get radius, that is 2. Okay, so P is connected to 2. So here I can write P is connected to 2. Next, if the difference between circumference and diameter of a circle is 20 centimeter. So this one is the P. Now next Q. Difference between circumference. Circumference we know 2 pi r minus diameter, that is 2r. That is 20. So when we take common 2r, so here I can write pi minus 1 is equal to 20. Now we have to find the radius. So radius I can write 20 upon 2 pi minus 2. It means Q is connected to 1. So here I can write Q is connected to 1. Next, here we have R. That is, if a circle has area 616 centimeter square, find its circumference. So we know area of circle, that is pi r square, which is given 616. So here I can write 616. So we know the value of pi, that is 3.14. So r square is equal to 616 upon 3.14. So here r we get, that is under root of 616 upon 3.14. We have to find the circumference. So we know circumference, that is 2 pi r. So I can write 2 multiply the value of pi, that is 3.14, and radius here we get, that is under root 616 upon 3.14. So when we simplify it, we get answer that is 87.92 centimeter. It means r is connected to 4. So here I can write r is connected to 4. Next, if the circumference of a circle is 110 centimeter, then find its area. So we know circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. is equal to 110. So here I can write 2 multiply the value of 5, that is 22.7, multiply r we have to find, that is 110. So 11 10 ja 110 and 11 2 ja 22. So r here we get, that is 70 upon 4, and we have to find its area. So we know area, that is pi r square. So the value of pi 22.7, r that is 70 upon 4, multiply 70 upon 4. So when we simplify it, we get answer, that is 962.5 centimeter square. It means S is connected to 3. So here I can write S is connected to 3. So the correct option is 2143. So 2143. It means option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is match column first and column second and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have column 1 and here we have column second. So first we have to simplify column 1, and in column 1 first we simplify P. Okay, so for P we know 3 3 is 9, 9 and 1 10 upon 3, and we convert this divide sign in the form of multiply, and so I can write here again 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 10 of, it means multiply, and 2 2 is 4 and 1 5 upon 2 plus 7 by 4. So 3 to 3 cancel out, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So here I can write 2 minus 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. It means 1 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4. So here when we take LCM, so I can write 4. It means 8 minus 1 plus 7, that is 14 upon 4. It means 7 upon 2, that is 3 and 1 by 2. So check P is connected to 4. So here I can write P is connected to 4. So now if I talk about the Q, that is 45 of 3 by 5. So here I can write 45 of 3 by 5. So when we convert divide sign in the form of multiply and we simplify this one, so I can write again 3 by 5 plus 3 of, it means multiply 1 by 3 and minus 10. Okay, when we simplify it, 5 1 is 5, 5 9 is 45. So 3 3 is 9 and 9 or 9 81. So here I can write 81 upon 5, and here we have 3 3 1 1 minus 10, that is 9. So I can write 81 minus 45 upon 5, that is 36 upon 5. It means 7 and 1 by 5. So check 7 and 1 by 5. It means Q is connected to 1. So I can write here Q is connected to 1. So now if I talk about the R, that is 43 of 1 by 86. So here I can write 43 of 1 by 86, and we convert divide sign in the form of multiply. So I can write here 14 upon 1 multiply by 2 upon 7 plus, if we take here LCM 4, so I can write here 9 minus 1 upon 4. So 43 1 is 43, 43 2 is 86. So 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14, 7 to 7 cancel out. So here I get 2 plus 9 minus 1, that is 8, and 8 is divided by 4, that is 2. So 2 plus 2, here we get the answer, that is 4. It means R is connected to 2. So I can write here R is connected to 2. And last, that is S. Here we have 9 upon 10 divided by bracket 3 upon 5 plus 2 multiply by 10, 20, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 10. So here we take LCM, that is 10. So 9 upon 10 divided by, if we take LCM 10, so I can write here 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 21, that is 9 upon 10 divided by 27 upon 10. So 10 to 10 cancel out. So I can write here 9 upon 27, that is 3 3 is 9 and 9 3 is 27. It means 1 upon 3. So check 1 upon 3, it means S is connected to 3. So here I can write S is connected to 3. So the correct option is 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. It means option number B is the correct answer over here. Now if I talk about the next question, which is based on paragraph, and here we have given paragraph, that is the figure shows the dimensions of a wall having a window and a door of a room. And now we have to find the area of the wall to be painted. So we know area of the wall to be painted, that is area of wall minus area of door plus window, right? So area of wall, here we have 5x plus 2 multiply by 5x minus area of door, that is 3x multiply x, it means 3x square, plus 2x multiply x, that is 2x square. So here I can write 5 5 ja 25x square plus 10x minus 5x square. So here we get area, that is 20x square plus 10x, where we want to paint. It means option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on same paragraph, and the question is, if rate is rupees 5 per square unit is the cost for painting, then the total cost of the paint wall. So here we get area, that is 20x square plus 10x. So here I can write area, that is 20x square plus 10x, and the cost is 5 rupees. So here I have to multiply this one. So here I can write 5 bracket 20x square plus 10x. So when we multiply it, we get, that is 5 to 10, 100x square plus 50x, that is the amount. So 100x square plus 50x, it means option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, on Sunday Nidhi visited to a fair with her parents. Nidhi could see lots of toys displays in the stalls, and she decided to buy a Lego building brick. Okay, and this is the Lego building brick, and here we have 7, height is 7 and the breadth is 7. It means the Lego building brick is in the form of cube because all the dimensions are same. So the length of the diagonal of the Lego building brick toys. So we know length of diagonal of cube, that is under root 3 multiply side, and here we have side, that is 7. So I can write here 7 under root 3. So 7 under root 3, it means option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is based on same paragraph, and the question is, the total surface area of the Lego building brick toy is. So total surface area we know 6 multiply side square. So 6 multiply 7 multiply 7. It means 6, 7, 7 ja 49. 49 multiply by 6. So 4 carry 5. 6 4 ja 24. 24 or 5 29. Okay. 294 centimeter square. So it means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which of these is equivalent for this one? So if I talk about A, this one is not equivalent. If I talk about the second, here we have used distributive property over addition. So this one is the equivalent. And if I simplify it, here we get 16 upon 9. When we take LCM of 7 and 4, here we get 28. So I can write here 20 plus 91. So I can write here 16 upon 9 multiply 111 upon 28. It means option number C is also correct. And D, this is not possible. So B and C is the correct answer for this question. So now if I talk about the next question, the probability that it will rain today is 0.84. So what is the probability that it will not rain today? So we know probability of an event happen plus probability of event not happen, that is 1. So we have to find for not rain today. So not happen, that is 1 minus probability of an event occur. So 1 minus 0.84. So here we get 0.16. It means option number A is correct. So when we simplify it, we can say that 16 upon 100, it means 8 upon 50. It means option number C is also correct. And again we have to simplify it. We can say that 4 upon 25. It means option number B is also correct. For this question, A, B and C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, the area of triangular garden is 9520 meter square. If its base is 340 meter, then the altitude is A, then find the value of A upon 8. So we know area of triangular garden, that is 1 by 2 base multiply height, and the base multiply altitude, you can say that. So base here we have given 340, altitude we have to find, that is H, which is equal to 9520. So when we simplify 202, here we get 170. So the height, altitude we get, that is 9520 divided by this one. So 0 to 0 cancel out. So here we can say that the height here we get, that is 56, which is A. Okay, and we have to find A upon 8. So A upon 8, it means the value of A here we get, that is 56. 56 upon 8. Yeah, when we simplify it, we get that is 7. So 56 upon 8 is the correct answer, and 7 is also the correct answer. So 56 upon 8, option number A is correct, and 7, option number B is also correct. So for this question, A and B are the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, we have to just simplify this one. So here we can simplify using the identity A minus B raised to whole square. So when we simplify first this bracket, so here I can write A square plus B square minus 2AB. For this I can write B square plus C square minus 2BC. For this I can write C square plus A square minus 2AC. So A square plus A square. So here we have 2A square, 2B square, and again plus 2C square minus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2AC. So check which option is correct over here. So I can say that 2A square, 2B square, 2C square minus 2AB minus 2BC plus 2. No, this one is not possible. 2A square minus 2B square. No, this one is also not possible. Yes, if we take common 2, so I can write A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. It means option number C is the correct, and option number D is also correct. So here for this question, option number C and option number D is the correct answer. So if you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुँच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुँचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी ID पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here to discuss the paper solution of MOF Stage 2 Class 7 Logical Reasoning section. So let's start the solution with our first question. In this question we have to find out the missing term in the given number series. So if we check the pattern in the series, it will be like
this, that 7 multiply by 2 then minus 2 which is 12, then 12 multiply by 3 minus 3 which is 33, then it is multiplied by 4 then minus 4 we get 128, then multiply by 5 and minus 5 we get 635, and if we multiply 635 with the 6 and subtract it from 6 we get we get 3804, which is option number A. So option number A is the right answer of this question. Now let's move to the next question. In this question we have given an alphabet series. If we check out, note down all the place value of the first term. It will be like S, then we have question mark, then we have Q, then we have P, then O, then N. So if we check the pattern will be like Q is on 17, then 16, then 15, and N is on 14, and S is on 19. So pattern goes with the difference of 1. So from S we get subtract 1, we get 18. On 18 we have letter R. For the next term we have A, then we have question mark, then we have C, then we have D, then next term we have E, and in next term we have F. So if we check the pattern, between C and D is of +1, between D and E is of +1, between E and F is of +1. So it will be in the +1, A in the +1. So if we add 1 in A, we get 2, and on 2 we have B. So our next term will be B. If we check the second term, it is repeating itself. It is repeating itself and increasing by 2. So increasing by the 2. Then next term it is repeating. So if here is B, then B will repeat itself. So our option number D is the right answer of this question. So now let's move to the next question. We have, in next question we have to find out, it is a alphanumeric series and we have to find out the missing term of the series. So let's start. If we go from we will note down all the place value of the letters. A is on 11, K is on 11, then 13, then we have I on 9, then P is on 16, then G is on 7, and S is on 19, E is on 5, and V is on 22. So let's sort out the thing. From K to I we go, it is -2, then from I to G it is -2, from G to E it is -2. If we check the pattern between M and P, it is +3. From P to S, it is of +3. From S to V, it is of +3. Then next, from E to next term, it will be of -2, that is C. And from V to +3, it is of 25, that will be Y. And in numbers, we have a pattern that 240, then next we have 60, then next we have 20, then next we have 10. If we divide 240 with the 4, we get 60. Then if we divide 60 by 3, we get 20, and if we divide 20 by 2, we get 10, and if we divide 10 by 1, we will get 10. So our right answer is CY10. Option number D is the right answer of this question. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 54. In this question we have a direction problem which is stating that from a point A, suppose here is a point A. From here Saruk traveled 12 km toward the north. Here is the north, and he travels 12 km from here. Now he takes a right turn. First he takes a right turn which is in the east direction and travel for 20 kilometers. First he go for the 12 in the north, then he takes a right and go for 20 kilometer. Now he drives for 8 kilometer after taking a left turn. If he take left turn from here, he will go in the north direction and 8 kilometers. Now he turns. Finally, he takes a left turn and drives for 20 kilometers and stop. From here, he take a left turn, drive 20 kilometer and takes stop at this point B. Now drive 20 kilometers, stop at point B. Now find the distance between A and B. So if we take the distance between A and B, it will be 12 from the A to this point, and this distance will be of 8 kilometer. So total distance will get 12 plus 8 equals to 20 kilometers. So the option number B is the right answer of this question. So now let's move to the next question. In next question, we have to choose the correct unfolded form of the given figure Z. If we unfold the paper along with the given axis this, the mirror image of this part will be look like this, and if we unfold this part, it will remain same because there is nothing. And if we unfold this part along with this axis, it will be look like this, and this part will exactly look like same because there is nothing also. If we check option, we get option number B is the right answer of the given question. Now let's move forward for the next question. In next question, we have, it is stating that in the class of 100 students, Nisha is ranked 35th from the top and Rahul is 28th from the bottom. Here we have that Nisha has the rank of 35th from the top, and Rahul is 28th from the bottom. Now there are total student is 100. Total student is 100. How many students are between Nisha and Rahul? So if we add 35 and 28, we get 63, and if we subtract 63 from the 100, we get 37. So the right answer is option number B. Now next, for the next question, in this question we have a sequence of 5 friends, and it is stating that A scored more runs than C. So A is greater than C, but less than D. But he scored less than D. Now B scored more run than D but less run than E. B scores more run than D but less run than E. Now it is asking that who scored the maximum runs. Now by the given sequence, we can say that E scored the maximum runs. So option number D is the right answer of this question. Now moving forward, we have next question 58. In this question, we have two statements which is stating that A is less than of F and F is less than and equals to C, and D which is less than of E. Now the conclusion first, it is stating that A is greater than of E. If we check A is greater than of E, then A is greater than of F but not than of E. A is greater than of F but not than of E, because F is also less than of E. F is also less than of E. Second statement is true. It is stating that F is less than of E. Because yes, it is true. F is less than of E. See, F is less than and equals to the C and also to the D and also to the E. So we can say that our conclusion 2 is the right for the given statements. Now let's move to the next question. In the question we have to interchange the mathematical sign to make the equation correct. Now if we take our option number A, this question will be done with the help of option only. So if we take option number A, in option A we have divide and minus subtraction. So if we interchange divide with the subtraction, we get we get the equation like of this. Now if we solve this equation, we get 4 multiply 6, which is 24, and now minus 2 plus, now we have minus 2 plus 8. Now we have minus 2 plus 8, which is equals to 30. If we solve this, we get 32 minus 2 equals to 30. Finally we get 30 equals to 30. So by option number A, our LHS is equals to the RHS. So the equation is correct with the help of option number A. So the option number A is the right answer of this question. Now next we will move for the next question. In this question we have to find out the correct water image of the given following letters. So in this, the correct water image of the given figure will be look like this. E will look like same, B is also look like same, R will look like this, and A will look like this. So which option is correct? Let's check out which option will be correct. So option number A is not correct because A is interchanging their side by the different one. Option number B is the right answer of this question. So I hope we have discussed all the solution of this paper. I hope you will understand it very well. If you have any doubt and query regarding the paper solution, you can go through with our website and you can connect us with the WhatsApp. The link are given in the description. Please like and follow our channel to more update. Thank you. Have a nice day.